When this little guy was moving his car, the cone suddenly started to move on its own, so he goes outside to move it. But what he doesn't know is his friend is secretly controlling the cone, and when he finally figured out that someone was controlling the cone, his reaction was priceless.
He's back in reverse. He's got it again. Here he goes. He's looking around. Off, Jesse. He's come off, Jesse. He's come off, Jesse.